Hello my friends, Chef Bernard here again, and today we're going to show you a really simple dish that a lot of people don't think they can make it, but it is so simple, and with one of my sauces you can make it really easy. Anyways, let me go into the ingredients. We have chicken breast here, tortillas, using my hot green salsa, Mexican cheese blend, and that's it. And so what I did do is I put some water and onions, carrots, and if you have a little celery you can put that in there. And then I put the chicken in there and simmer it for maybe half an hour until it's good and cooked, and we can then kind of shred it into some pieces like this. So there, that's how we're gonna put the chicken into the enchiladas. Okay. So, and how are we gonna do this? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 350, and then I'm gonna take my hot green salsa, and I'm gonna put about 1/3 of the jar into the blender and put the other aside. Cover this up, and I'm gonna just turn the blender on liquefy. Alright, we want to just puree that till it's just perfectly liquid. Let's just pour it into a pan here. We're going to use this to coat the tortillas. There we go. Now, so I took the 1/3 of the salsa, we put it in the blender, blended it till it's really liquidy. I also add some of this chicken broth, that is, cook the chicken into it. We want this to be liquid, and so we do that. And now we want to make sure that this needs to be really hot. And so what we're going to do is then we put the tortillas in there, and you can use tongs if you like. I think I'm going to try with my hands. I think I'm okay, but it needs to be in there a little bit. This is going to soften up the tortilla and make it more so you can roll it better. If you don't have it in there long enough, they're gonna break on you when you roll it. Let's see if this is going to work. The chicken kind of towards one side, closer to you, and then gently roll it up. You don't want to roll it too tight because it will most likely tear the tortillas. And then you lay it into your pan and put the overlap side on the bottom so it doesn't open up. And go to the next one. Okay, so now what you want to do is you take this one out and then immediately put in the next one so it can start to simmer for you. And then put this one up, and I'm going to show you some magic now. You're going to have to pay attention to this. This is really amazing. And voila, it's magic. Pan just got done by itself. Alright, at this point, Then I'm going to take the other jar and pour that over. There we go. Evenly spread it out. And then I put cheese on top. The Mexican blend is what I'm using here. It's a blend of Jack and cheddar cheese. Now before I started, we turned the oven on 350 to preheat it. So that is hot now. And we're going to put this in the oven. Leave this in the oven. This should be there maybe 20 to 30 minutes. We'll just check and see if it's hot inside, then it's done. One other thing is our salsas are vegetarian, so if you like to make a vegetarian enchilada, you can maybe add vegetables into it. You know, if you do some roasted vegetables, and you can add mushrooms to that as well, and then roll it up with that, and then the sauce with this. And then you can still add cheese as well. If you're vegan, then you can omit the cheese. Okay, we're going to wait for that to come out of the oven, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, the enchilada, I can smell it. It's really good. It smells good. So we're going to take that out of the oven now. Oh, nice. Slightly brown. So, what I'm going to do here, okay. Dish. Add a little bit of sour cream on top. And a few leaves of cilantro. And then we're going to add some more green salsa into the bowl here and something like that. Wow. I'm looking forward to having this one. Okay, this is the green salsa enchilada. And of course, we have the red salsa as well, and you can make the same thing with red salsa. And again, they're all vegetarian. And so if you want to make a vegetarian dish, you can use cheese in the center, or roasted vegetables, roasted mushrooms, and do a vegetarian enchilada this way. And if you want to be vegan, then you can omit the cheese. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.